everyone, back again with me, Imam Saputra for Management Class 22C. On this session, I will explain about single data dispersion measure. A. Definition single data. Dispersion measure. Single data dispersion measure. The measure of spread is a measure that states how far the data value differed from the central values, or a measure that states how much the data value differed from the central values. In an effort to compare several data series, using data center measurements alone will not give good result. It can even give misleading result is questionable and Madurian and cinemasm. The spread measure is basically a complement to the central value measure in describing a set of data. So, with a distribution measure, the dispersion of a set of data will be clear and more and precise. The dispersion measure helps to know how far a value spread from its middle value. The smaller the larger. And E. Range. Range is the difference between the large data number and the smallest data number and questionnaire and boundary. The way to find the range is different between single data and group data. A single data range there is single data set x1, x2, and xn. Then the range is rank xn min x. And B. Group data rank. The range of group data is in the difference between the upper limit of the highest class and low limit of the lowest class. B. Average deviation. The average deviation is the calculation average of the absolute value of the definition between the observed data value and the calculated average. The average deviation involves observation data in its calculation by questionnaire and boundary. When looking for the average deviation, you can differentiate between single data and group data. Single data average deviation. For single data, the average deviation or MD can be calculated using the formula. Average deviation. Grouping data for group data frequency distribution. The average deviation we calculate using a formula. C variance. Variance is the calculated average of the square deviation of each data from the calculated average. Variance is a color-font measure of the variability of a series of data which is calculated by finding the average deviation squared, deviation between the observation data and the data center. Kustiwanto dan Bagari, the variance for population data is symbolized R2 and for sample data is symbolized S2. Single data variance formula for single data variance is 1 for population and 30. And B for sample and means group data variance. Next, to calculate group data variance for both population and sample, its formula as follows for population and 30 for sample and minus 30. In this standard deviation, the measure of variability that is often issued to standard deviation or standard deviation. Christianto and Badalgin standard deviation is the root of variance. To determine the standard deviation value, do this Febrian wrote his Oxford and E. Ranga rank confirmed the formula for determining the rank coefficient is Kr sama dengan LA, LB or LA plus LBX 100%. B. Average deviation coefficient, the formula for determining the average deviation coefficient is KMD, MDR, X 100%.
Apaan tuh? Apaan tuh? Apaan tuh? Apaan tuh?